Okay, today is December 31, 2024. Last day of the year and I'm here sa Glorieta. At medyo rainy. Rainy yung panahon ngayon dahil I'm not sure may bagyo or what. But in a few days, I'm going to me and my wife and their dating colleagues and friends. Pupunta kami ng Bohol on January 2. Siguro after a while, I'll go home na. Just to edit and prepare for New Year. I'll be spending our New Year sa bahay ng in-laws. And it got me thinking, kung ano yung 2024 for me. Siguro ko-consider ko na parang isang museum. I like going to museums. Favorite ko yung National Museum of Fine Arts. So itong Gallery 8 is all about World War II. As depicted nga itong mga Japanese soldiers. So, kung nasaan yung National Museum ngayon, at dati itong itsura niya during the raid of Manila. Yung sa Intramuros, gusto ko rin yung Museo de San Agustin.
Medyo madaming historical facts. So, ito yung mga abito ng mga dating pare.
And, yun, daming paintings na luma. Gusto ko rin yung mga napuntahan ko sa Ilocos na museum ng Pamilya Burgos. For me, 2024 ay some kind of a museum rin. Kasi this is where I will park yung mga memories. Thankful ako dun sa 2024 because of nagko-work ako, na-start ko yung vlogging, maganda yung career ng wife ko, safe and healthy yung family namin pareho, and yung mga success ng mga kapatid ko, mga in-laws ko, happy ako din doon. Pati sa mom ko. Parang as long as we're healthy, we're performing, diba, at high potential, I'm happy for that. So, andito ako sa Pioneer. Tabi 7-Eleven. And merong dalawang cats. So, may nagpapakain naman sa kanila, pero dry cook. Ngayon, papakain na silang food. Para this coming New Year, hindi sila matakot masyado. Kasi mamaya, magpulugan yan. Takot sila sa ono. Papakain natin sila ng wet food. Para healthier sila mamaya. So, may lalagyan naman tayo disposable na para so feeling ko naman yung mga cats na to, napapakain naman sila ng dry food over there. Pero bigyan natin sila ng wet food for this New Year para at least hydrated sila, may makakain sila wet food. So far, kinakain na nila. So kinakain na nila yung wet food. Diba? Mas okay na yung wet food na kainin kasi siopaw na yon. So 3 cats right here kakain sila. Disposable naman yung plato. So disposable yung plato. And kung di mo na maubos, mamaya pwede na ubusin. Pero salamat sa nagpakain ng dry food sa kanila here. Pero for now, wet food sila. It's so important to feed them right now kasi mamaya putukan mamaya matatakot tong mga to. So mas okay na yung busog sila pagpasok ng New Year. Yan lang. Okay. Happy New Year, cats! Enjoy your food. Mas matapang ang 2025, mas risky, and more committed, I would say. Kasi gagawin kong lahat to achieve my dream. I'll be really committed din sa craft ko, sa creating videos and creating content for people. So, if you enjoyed the video, thank you very much. I hope you will subscribe to my channel. As a 40-year-old vlogging, it's not too late to vlog, it's not too late to create content. As long as you enjoy the process, you enjoy what you're doing, you enjoy storytelling, just do it. Just like what I'm doing right now. So, yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you on the next one. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, guys. Cheers.